Hey guys, this is my first time trying Raket Ph. Diba dito, viral ito na pwede kang magbenta dito ng mga digital products, templates, and even services. You can offer it here and sell it around the world. So here, of course, ano ba namang i-applyan natin? Become a Raketeer. So become a Raketeer dito, maaari kang maka-income kapag sell ka ng services or digital products. Ngayon, isa na akong Raketeer dito and this is just my first day. So, let's get started. So, kapag mag-join ka lang, just click, you can sign up with Google, email, and LinkedIn. However, since naka-sign in na ako, okay, so pupunta na ako sa aking dashboard. So, let's see my Raketeer dashboard. So guys, kung may bala kayong at least visit man lang sa aking shop, so you can. So here, dito, this is the icons, Raketeer dashboard, my Raket ship, your services, your orders, my wallet, deliveries, customers, recommendations. So dito muna tayo sa my Raket ship. Dito sa my Raket ship, guys, dito mo makikita yung infos mo, yung about infos mo. So ito, mag-change profile ka, first name, last name, and about you. And of course, you can add background photos para may touch naman yung ating profile dito. Tapos ilagay mo anong roles mo dito, like anong roles mo. Kung sa akin nilagay ko digital product seller and social media freelancer. Tapos country at ibang details and save changes. So sa akin na save na. Here guys, sa totoo lang, nagpatulong ako sa mga online, no, para mag-create ng gantong catchy, no, na about me, na details or descriptions. Okay lang naman siguro. However, ito. So, ito yung kalabasan guys, pagtapos mo ma-save ang mga details na yon. So, ngayon, pupunta naman tayo dito sa services. So, dito sa services, guys, ito yung services na ino-offer mo. So, you can add a new service. So, sa akin, guys, ito yung first service na nilagay ko. Basic video editing delivered in 1 day. And also, I can create simple, engaging thumbnails for your social media videos to help them stand out. Contact for pricing siya, delivered in 1 day. And na-publish na siya. Wala pa akong sold and sales kasi nga ngayon kaka-start ko lang. So kapag mag-add new service ka, here meron silang templates, service template na pwede mong gamitin. Reusable siya, pwede mo siyang i-edit, and also mayroon na siyang pricing na pwede mong i-change o ikaw o sila o gusto mong i-change or stay as is na na pricing. Pwede mong gamitin ang mga templates na ito para simulan ang iyong service na i-offer. Pwede ka namang mag-start from scratch. You will make the name of your service, the description, featured photos, and anong fixed price ba or contact pricing, and yung delivery date, 1 day ba, 2 days, at ilang days yan, and anong category ang service mo, hanapin mo lang, and if may extra kang add-ons na ilalagay, maglalagay ka rin ng price at anong add-on naman ang pwede nilang ma-avail sa service mo, and what do you need for the client to get started. So, yun lang. Ilagay mo lang tong ano ba ang mga startups na details na kailangan mo, and save and publish para ma-publish na siya dito sa iyong profile. So, yun na nga guys. Ito yung mga services na ino-offer ko. Basic services lang. And next, we have products. So, ngayon, wala pa akong products na na-upload. Mag-a-upload ako mamaya. But, it is a template, guys, for those who like nakapasa sa mga examination, yun yung template na balak kong i-publish mamaya. So, dito ko siya sa Canva gagawin. I have here many templates about those things. And dito naman tayo sa socials, guys. Sa socials is you can link your other social media accounts to your Raket Ph para at least man lang, no, pwede mo siyang ma-share yung mga services na ino-offers mo, yun. Or mas maganda na rin para makontak ka ng customer mo. And also, let's go on to design. Anong theme ba gustuhin mo dito sa iyong profile? So, ganito lang naman. Themes, colors, fonts. So, you can customize your profile. Akin, mamaya ko na siguro yan i-explore. And this is my link, guys. You can also share your link to your other social media platforms, or you can copy it and send it to your friends, or advertise it or promote it to your social media platforms. So, I guess ito lang naman, yung basic lang naman siya. However, still looking forward, no, na makakasold ako dito. So, let us see. You can visit also, guys. I will put my link on the video below. Thank you for watching. Bye!